Right here I've got JD set up with a 3-device placement for neck discomfort. The devices are placed symmetrically. The initial one is placed in the midline with the raised radial arrow pointing up over the 7th cervical vertebral body. It's a very prominent bump that we all feel where our neck meets our upper shoulders. This device is placed in the midline, and these other 2 devices are placed to the side, approximately 2 finger breadths to the midline, and in about this conformation. A 4th device can be added, again, using this device as a guide in the midline to where this 4-device pattern, the devices are essentially equidistant and in a diamond shape.